am Tom op het eind and I represent VirtualSurveyor. The product is the same name as the company, VirtualSurveyor. And what we do, we actually help land surveyors that work with drones to create lightweight CAD models from their drone data. We come here because this is like one of the world's biggest events where surveyors come. So it's a very good opportunity for us to give a hands-on demo on what our software can do. We recently have released a new version, VirtualSurveyor 7, which also allow cut and fill maps. So what we observed in the past is that a lot of people, even when they would create lightweight CAD models from our survey, they still need to do a lot of analytics after that, time-consuming analytics, sometimes 4 hours. And with these cut and fill maps, they can do these operations now in 10 seconds. So, and surprisingly, a lot of people really want to work with drones for their surveying work, but then they are confronted with some problems. Actually, I had customers complaining, saying, I never wished I would have started with drone surveying. Doing it conventionally would have saved me much more time. And then they discovered VirtualSurveyor and they realized, this was the missing piece of software that I need to actually do my job. And then they became a satisfied drone surveyor again.